Have you ever wanted to see the teeny tiny details on a bee's wing? Or maybe the cells of an onion? Well, there are two ways that we can do this. First, we can use my shrink wand. Reggie, where's my shrink wand? Oh, here it is. Shrink wand, activate. Okay, I think it's broken. The second one is that we can use a microscope, which I guess is what we'll be using today on Mindy's Laboratory of Biology. Today, we will be zooming in on all things microscopic. Reggie, I said zooming in. Are you doing the zooming thing? Okay, for this experiment, we will be using this microscope to inspect some plants and animal specimens up close. This microscope can magnify objects up to 720 times their size. First things first, we have to turn on the light. Ah, not that light, Reggie. This light. Next, we'll take one of our plant slides and place it underneath the clips on the stage. Now, you'll want to make sure that your specimen is in the center of the stage, right over the opening, also known as the aperture. This microscope has 3 lenses. The shortest one magnifies up to 80 times the size of the object, and the longest one magnifies the object 720 times its size. Talk about up close and personal. When using a microscope, we start with the lowest magnification first, which is the shortest lens. This is to help us see the object more clearly and to prevent any damage to our lenses. From there, just adjust the height of the objective lens here until the image is clear. Okay, so blurry, 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 and clear. Come on, let's zoom in a little closer. Now, each of these brick-looking things are onion cells, and each of them play an important role in how an onion works. Some of these cells store food, others help make food using energy from the sun, and they all work together to keep this plant healthy and strong. Let's check out another specimen. Ooh, this one looks interesting. How about a bee's wing? First, let's get the new slide in place here. Wow, look at that. Now, you might see that this wing is translucent or see-through, but that doesn't mean it's not tough. These tiny but mighty wings help bees to buzz around about 500 miles before they wear out. I gotta find some more stuff to zoom in on. Don't forget, you can find even more tiny wows and investigate on your own with a microscope in your own laboratory of bad ideas at home. Until next time, go forth and find your wow.